My name is Alain Burrese. I served with the 82nd Airborne Division and the 2nd Infantry Division in South Korea. I've known Tom Antion for a long time. I first knew of him back in the 90s, over 20 years ago, when I bought his Wake Him Up system. And for those of you who remember way back then, we had cassette tapes, and we didn't have the CDs or the digital stuff that he has now. You know, I had to watch everything on old VHS tapes. So I can say I've known Tom for quite a while. And I haven't just learned from his VHS, his cassettes, later his CDs, his digital downloads, his online training, but I've had a chance to visit him at his retreat center in Virginia and learn from him firsthand. And what I can honestly say about Tom is I have learned a tremendous wealth of information from him. And it doesn't surprise me that he's offering scholarships to the spouses of veterans, because as long as I've known Tom, he has always supported the military. He supported me as a veteran, but he's always been pro-military in a lot of endeavors. So I highly recommend anything you can learn from Tom, do it. You won't be disappointed.